Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Azumi Uchitani, 5 minutes on Japanese wisdom. Today's topic is the art of cleaning. I'm going to share about the importance of cleanness of our outer world as well as inner world. For spiritual development, for mindfulness, we all know it is important to clean our inner world by doing yoga, meditations, and other rituals and practices to clear our energy. But when it comes to cleaning our house or cleaning the rooms, what do you think of it? Do you have any thoughts, feeling associated to it? In this modern society, it is a kind of collective thought that cleaning is low-grade task, but it is actually not. It is a sacred task. In Japanese spirituality, especially Shinto, cleanness and purification is the basis of our life, and there are many rituals to practice around it to purify and to clean our outer world as well as inner world. And in tea ceremony, cleanness and purification is one of the 4 principles, together with harmony, respect, stillness. And tea ceremony starts from cleaning the cup and finishing by cleaning the cup. And in Japanese temple, you may have seen the young monks, or should I call priest, polishing the floor, long wooden floor, like a beautiful dance they perform. And it is part of their duty and the training for their mind and body and soul. And at Japanese school, at elementary school, cleaning their own classroom is a duty, and they are part of school life. In my days, I remember we had a homework to sew our cleaning clothes from the old towel that we had at home. So it was really already integrated to our education to respect the things we have and respect the environment we are surrounded. During this lockdown, many of us had to do cleaning at home by ourselves. You may like it or you may hate it. Well, if you have the thoughts or the feeling that cleaning is a low-grade task, it starts from getting rid of this feeling and these thoughts, because clean environment brings more joy and prosperity, and it is also a good base for our well-being. So if you have any thoughts or feeling that cleaning is low-grade task, it starts from getting rid of it. When our environment is clean and we are happy and we are joyful, we're prosperous, and we can bring more of these feelings. So we can appreciate more of those who clean the house, street, public spaces, and everything. Inner peace starts from cleanness of our inner world and outer world. Well, thank you for watching. If you'd like to know more about this topic, please visit my website azumiuchitani.com/art of cleaning. If you like this talk, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and see you next week.